What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the importance of vocal one-shots and or effects. So let's get right into it. When I say effects, I'm talking about one-shot effects, not like reverb and delay and stuff like that. I'm talking about just like one-shot sound effects. Okay, so I have this trap beat here. I'll play a little bit of it. So that cap one-shot vocal sound effect adds a lot of sauce, and that's the point of the video, is to tell you you can add stuff like that. This is something very simple, but a lot of times you can add vocal shots or what have you, sound effects, to really sauce up your beat. It's really how you, this was explained to me a really good way. It's really how you dress up the beat. Otherwise, it's just not going to get noticed. But you got to really dress it up in a unique way that's not also too much. You don't want a bunch of sound effects and a bunch of things going on. Really focus on trying to get a good vibe going and have the vocal effects, one shots, or the sound effects add to the rhythm or the bounce. All right, that's really the key to it. So let me show you another example. All right, so this next example is, it's got a lot of sounds and some vocal shots in the perk loop that I used. But we'll play it and you can hear how it's used in that. You heard the different shouts, like the hey, hey, and then the lemon. That's all just added in as one shots in a rhythm to really give the beat some extra sauce. Really just think about vocal one shots like that, especially for boom bap. It really can add a lot of bounce and just uniqueness to your beat. That's pretty much it though. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.